This morning, winds anywhere from about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as the day goes on, we could see winds at about 10 to 15 today. So the occasional breeze, and it will be a warm breeze, especially since the winds will be coming from the west today. No more watches and warnings in Florida. All the watches and warnings are now well north of Florida into South Carolina and points north. Closer to home, we are quiet on the satellite image. We're clear. High pressure will dominate today. And this will bring us a lot of sunshine, not just today, but into your Sunday as well. But here is the latest on Hurricane Matthew. It's a Category 2 hurricane. It has gotten weaker. The eye's starting to collapse, and ahead of it, there's a lot of wind shear. So it looks like it will become a Category 1 either later today or into tomorrow. But nonetheless, it does have a lot of tropical moisture, and you can see just lots of moisture getting pushed into South Carolina. They'll see anywhere from 6 to 10 inches of rain, which will lead to some widespread flooding. Plus, they'll have to deal with that coastal flooding as well. Lots of beach erosion. So it's still a very powerful storm system with rain stretching all the way up towards Pennsylvania. It's a Category 2 hurricane. Right now, winds of 105 miles per hour, moving towards the northeast at 12. Again, you can see it becoming a Category 1 hurricane. Then it does that big loop, heads back down towards the Bahamas, but a much weaker version, not even a tropical system by the time we get to the middle of the week. It looks like it will be just a plain old wave of lower pressure. So there's storm system number 1. There's Matthew, and over here, that is Tropical Storm Nicole. Right now, winds of 50 miles per hour, moving towards the south at 7, but notice the track. It's going to do the opposite while Matthew is going towards the south. This one eventually will shoot up towards the north. By Tuesday morning, winds of 45 miles per hour, and then as we head towards Thursday, it's approaching Bermuda with winds of 60 miles per hour. So on Vipercast for today, do expect just lots of sunshine. It's going to be a gorgeous day today. Maybe a spot shower here or there, but I think most of us are dry, and as we head into tonight, we are mainly clear. So with that said, here's your extended forecast. This afternoon, we're heading up to 92 degrees. It's warm. We're mostly sunny. Tomorrow, a little bit cooler, 88. Still plenty of sunshine. Then we do increase the chance of showers and thunderstorms as we head towards the middle of the week. That's your forecast.